Diwali is days away and I'm officially in panic mode, but in the best way possible. Because this is the ultimate Diwali shopping haul that you need, and we got you covered from stunning door decor to every corner of your room with the statement jewelry piece that I know I will be wearing all week long. Hello, welcome back to my channel. I am Ambika Thakur and the host of this channel, Miss Macadamia. If you are new to this channel, तो हम ये beauty related, lifestyle related and बहुत सारी चीजें यहाँ पर डालते रहते हैं, तो यार subscribe and बिना कुछ देरी के start करते हैं ये. We need to start at the entrance because this grand festival demands a grand welcome. And I got you covered with these two very beautiful options. Now first one is this very royal looking piece, and just imagine this next to a maroon curtain or a royal blue curtain. It will give the absolute luxurious vibe. Now next is this very beautiful toran with this lotus design, and it's looking absolutely festive, and you know lotus is a symbol of Ma Lakshmi, so I think that is perfect. And I also needed a little, you know, rang biranga type to add more colors this festive season, so I brought this one. I got them for 150 each, and I think that's a steal deal because they are absolutely beautiful. Now I think the sideways toran are incomplete without a middle toran, and that's why we got you covered with these. These are two very beautiful options. One with this leaf pattern and it has satya in it. I think it's perfect for the main entrance. Next is this very beautiful and very colorful toran. I think this will go perfect with that second option we have in the side toran. I got both of them for 100 rupees, so it's 50 rupees each. And now when we are making our home so visually pleasing, why not make them audibly pleasing as well with this very traditional wind chimes. One is with this very beautiful peacock design and the another one is with the elephant design, and both of them have symbolic representation in my culture, and also they are so audibly pleasing, like just hear them out. If this is not desi aesthetic for you, I don't know what it is, okay? I don't know. And these are of 100 rupees each. Your living room festive decoration is incomplete without the middle centerpiece. And this is the absolute traditional centerpiece that I got. It's also for 100 rupees. And I think it will look absolutely stunning and so colorful. Just look at it. If there is anything evergreen with the centerpieces, I think that is the spiral design. And nothing can go wrong with this. Just look at this beautiful merge of colors. It looks so antique. Colors are like it's vintage. I also got it for just rupees 100, and it's an absolute steal deal because I love it. I love it. ये मैंने कहीं का निकाल दिया है, मुझे नहीं पता ये कहाँ का है. Imagine you walk into your neighbor's house with mithai and gifts, and the decor is very beautifully done in the entrance. The living room is shouting traditional vibe, but then you look at the corner and it's empty, and it's like completely out of the vibe. I got you covered because nothing is scream more positive vibe than some greenery. And before you say anything, let me clear it out. I'm also in the tribe to choose real plants over these fake ones, and I absolutely have them. See, it also have a jhula. And also snake plant. And those who have already subscribed my channel, they must know that I am a huge plant lover and I have a lot of plants in my home. But here I live in a rented apartment, and that is why I only have 2 plants, because I usually go out for the work and I cannot take care of that much plants. I don't want them to die, so that's why. Anyway, so coming back to the video, it will look absolutely stunning in your living room corner. It will just enhance the positivity because your greenery equals positivity in your mind psychology. I got it only for 150 rupees. Now this is another great option to add colors into your room, because I don't know, the pop of color in this is absolutely aesthetic. So these are like 2 different things. One is these roses and another is this wooden pot, which is so Pinteresty, and we are also matching. And I got this whole thing for 350 rupees. Now the home is done, but what about the person? And I got you covered with some very stunning jewelry pieces that I brought, and I'm wearing one of them right now. Look at these pretty earrings. I got them for just rupees 40. I can't believe they're so pretty. I mean, look at them. Looking so pretty with this yellow kurti. Next are these very pretty earring set and they look absolutely stunning. This can be your one go-to piece for any kurti outfit. And I got them for 40 rupees as well. Now the next earring was in my wish list from so long, like an year ago. I saw them in Gwalior Mela and kaise to karke I cannot bring them home. So here they are. Look at them. And you can wear them in two different styles. One is from behind the ears and another one is from the front of the ear. And both of them look so stunning, but my personal favorite is the one from behind the ears. Next, I got some nose pins and that is for 10 rupees each. One is this one and another one is this. How am I looking? The color tone is different. They're not pairing up well with these white silvery earrings. These are basically for me, but I also brought something for my mama. And those are bangles. I got very pretty bangles, especially they are Kangan and Kada set. Now the first one is this royal Rajasthani Chura set. It's so beautiful. Mama can pair it with any heavy sari. Diwali ki safai. Mama can pair this with any heavy sari and they will look absolutely stunning. Also because they are in multicolor, I think they can go up with different color of sari including the dark colors. The whole set was for rupees 250 and I think it's okay. But do you think it's overpriced? Because I have no idea kitne ka aata hai actually mein. Nextly, I got some Kangan set. एंड आई नो बोथ ऑफ देम आर मल्टी कलर यार, क्योंकि मैंने ये पहले लिए थे और ये मैंने बाद में लिए, बट मुझे ये डिज़ाइन इतनी अच्छी लग रही थी, आई डोंट वांट टू मिस इट. एंड बोथ ऑफ देम आर फॉर जस्ट रुपीज़ 100 ईच. ऐसी जो माथा पट्टी आती है ना, इट्स लुकिंग सेम एंड यार बहुत प्यारे लग रहा है, एकदम राजपूतानी राजस्थानी वाइब दे रहा है ये मेरे को. तो So this is the wrap on this Diwali haul video. Let me know in the comments कि इसमें से आपका फेवरेट कौन सा था और आप अपने घर पे इसमें से कौन सी चीज़ें लाने वाले हैं. एंड अगर आपको ऐसे और वीडियोस चाहिए हैं या फिर लाइफस्टाइल एंड डेकोरेशन रिलेटेड वीडियो देखना है तो प्लीज़ मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए, क्योंकि हम ऐसे वीडियोस डालते रहते हैं. एंड विद दैट, हैप्पी दिवाली टू ऑल ऑफ यू एंड मे दिस ईयर माँ लक्ष्मी आपके घर में प्रॉस्पेरिटी, विजडम एंड बहुत सारी हैप्पीनेस लेकर आए. स्टे हेल्दी, स्टे हैप्पी and celebrate to the fullest. Bye bye.